Good morning, mis amores. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Luna Glam, and today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I know, I've never done one. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot of you guys always ask for a tutorial on how I do my hair. I do my hair like this all the time. It's really rare when I have straight hair. I just feel like curls are my thing. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed and I blow dried it before I started my makeup. I usually part my hair, I take my two fingers and I put them behind my ear and I part it right there. I don't take perfect sections, guys. It's not that serious. Unless I'm doing someone else's hair, that's different. So I use it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and I'll just like spray it once. And I sprayed this before I blow dried my hair, so I feel like I already have product in it, so I'm not gonna put too much. And I just turn it. It's almost like you're straightening it, but with a twist to it. Okay guys, I look a little crazy, I know. But I had started filming the hair tutorial and then my camera died. So we're restarting. And I was wearing my fluffy jacket because I was cold, but now I got hot with the straightener and everything. So that way you guys can see more clearly. So I'm rocking my Luna Glam merch. So I had already started this tutorial and my camera decided to die. So, you know, we're just gonna do it all over again. So I'm gonna take a little piece. I usually start from the bottom all the way to the top. So I'm gonna take a piece, and it's honestly, wait, is this one curled already? Oh, kind of. It's honestly like straightening your hair. So you know how with your straightener, you go like this down? So I always hold my straightener up because I'm gonna turn it, so you guys will see. So I hold it like if I was to straighten down, but instead I twist it and then I straighten down. And you get this little churro. And if you do want it tighter, which I will do just to show you guys, basically same thing, but you turn it. But if you want it tighter, you turn it one more time. And this is the part where you see how tight that is. So again, I'm gonna place it, and you wanna go against your face, so your hair is gonna turn that way versus inward. So you're gonna, almost like you're about to straighten, but you just twist it away from your face, and then you straighten down. And then that's that. I always do a lot more bigger sections, so that way when I comb it out, it looks like waves.
Go outward. So then you twist and press. You twist and press down.
Let's finish this side. I had already done some. So it's the same thing. You literally just twist back so it's away from your face, and you straighten the hair, and then voila. Let me do the rest of my hair. And I'm gonna do some on camera, like in case I like, you know, I'm like, ooh, I got cheeseman for you guys. But I'm gonna fast forward some of the stuff. And then once I get to the top, I'll go over it again with you guys. So basically, I take my little fingers, I put it above my eyebrows just a little bit, and I section that out. Like I said, I don't do my sections all perfect because I cannot see the back of my head, but it's close enough. Ooh, my nails. Shout out to K Beauty Nails. Look at those nails. Like, who is she? I start working on this. So I'm gonna take it from the back because it's easier to like see, focus on the back and then the front. And this is like how big the sections I take on the back. Like you're about to straighten down, but instead you turn it and then you straighten down. You don't want to clamp right away, which is something I should have probably mentioned, because you don't want to leave lines. But I put it between, turn, and then I press down. Once I get to this top, I do it by little sections. So, not little sections, but I just do one side because it gives me anxiety when everything's down. Okay, so now we're gonna go from cute to fabulous. And then I always straighten the top because sometimes when you blow dry your hair, like it gets a little like bump, and I don't like that on my hair. It makes me feel weird. Again, you can do it going like this once you get to the top and twist it, as long as you're like twisting it and going downward. Or you can go from below, twist it, and go downward. Twist and down. Kind of like that. Pop, drop it. No, pop, lock, and drop it. I don't know. What? So now to this crazy side. I do thinner sides once I get to the front. Why? Because I want my curls to be more defined in the front. That's just my preference though. So again, I straighten it a little bit and then I twist. Usually the front I do have to straighten no matter what because I have like little baby hairs.
Twist and down. Twist and down. Voila.
You guys, I am so hungry. Xavier is gonna wait until he gets to my casa to order pizza. I'm like, you could have just went to the store, but he was like, there's so much traffic. And I'm like, there's gonna be the same traffic for the delivery guy to bring us food. So regardless, we're gonna have to wait, but he doesn't want to do the waiting, so oh well. Look, talking about the devil. No, yo sí lo llamé. Okay, anyways. So then now we're getting to the top. Again, you twist and down. Come in. He came, knocked, and walked away. Okay. Oh, I think he needs me to open the door. Wait, we're not done yet. Don't go anywhere.
If I put marshmallows in it, will you drink your hot chocolate?
I've just been working. He made me hot chocolate in the morning and I didn't finish it. I haven't even ate. Like, he's over here giving me a hard time. I haven't ate. It's 4:48, guys. I haven't ate and he's like giving me a hard time because I didn't drink my hot chocolate. But I'm like, I've just been like grind mode.
I haven't eaten. No, I haven't eaten.
What's the difference? I run my fingers through it a little bit. Wow. That makes them look like a little bit bigger and poofy. You can use a comb too. Okay guys, so this is the complete look with the glam and the warm cozy jacket and the big curls. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is something that has been highly requested actually. I always curl my hair with a straightener. It's like my go-to. There's no wand that I like because I feel like my hair just gets frizzy with wands. Curling irons, I can't use them on myself. Like, I end up pinching my hair, pinching my finger, and burning my finger. So straightener is the way to go. I will say that it is harder to use a straightener if your hair is really long, because turning it a lot is going to be kind of a hassle. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave your comments and thoughts down below, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a beautiful, amazing day.